This is the Shimano MGL 71XG from the SLX lineup. So dalawa to, 70XG tsaka 71XG. Pag may 1, or pag may odd number, meaning that's a lefty lure. So ito Hagane, means Hagane yung metal na ginamit or yung material. MGL siya kasi MGL spool, sabi nila mas magaan yung spool. Kaya niyang i-cast yung magagaan na mga lure. This is from Shimano. MGL Shimano. Yan. So dumating siya, ang ganda ng box. Tsaka may kasama siyang ayan, wait lang. Start focus. Bantam oil, maintenance oil from Shimano din. So opening this up, it's just a box, no? Karton lang talaga sa loob. And then yeah, and this one maybe it's not removable or movable pa. Okay, so this is the reel itself. Sa baitcaster reel, ang partner natin dun sa Lurematic. So isa lighting, ito yung Bantam oil, and then paperworks sa mga parts ng Shimano. SLX MGL 70 is for the right-handed reel or bait casting reel. 70 or 71. Now, let's set this aside for now. So wala nang laman yung box. And this is Shimano MGL and all of its glory. There you go. Wow. Napakaganda, napaka-smooth. Sobrang smooth. Ito yung star drag niya. Doon tayo mag-a-adjust ng drag for this spool. So kung mahigpit, so kung if you are to spin this in that direction, mas hihigpit tong spool niya. And then if you spin it in this direction backwards o papunta sa iyo, mas luluwag to. Yan. This is really good. And then para i-open tong side na to, kasi andito sa loob yung mga braking niya na setting, you have to slide this one pababa, and that automatically pops up, spring loaded. Yan. Tapos ito siya, hindi siya natatanggal na. Ganun lang. So sabi nila, to adjust the braking for this one is you have to put this up, or kailangan siyang itayo itong mga ganito. So what you will do is yan. So may satisfying click ka na maririnig. So what this will do is this will restrict the two brakes from activating, para itong dalawang brake lang ang gagana. That's it. Ginawa ko to kasi may mga nakikita akong video sa YouTube na ganyan din ang ginagawa. Baka mas maganda kung dalawang brake lang yung gumagana sa mga ganito. So, let's close this and then there. Yun, mas matagal. Mas matagal yung braking niya. See? Wow. Yung base niya is sobrang tibay. Ayan. This is made from Malaysia, although sa Japan natin to in order. So yun lang po. Siguro next video is we will try this one sa dagat. Field test natin. Let's see kung ano yung feel niya. I don't know kung makakahuli ako mamaya or ano. But I will partner this one sa dito sa Lumat. So if you want to see an unboxing video with this one, ililink ko na lang sa taas.